Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This will only help people with Corel Draw 2021 and newer ones, I guess, depending on when you're watching this video. I don't know if you ever know that if you go to help, you can actually highlight what is new since 2019 or 2020, and I've got mine turned on for 2021. And this right here appeared, and I just thought, well, what is that? This could be very useful. I preferably draw in the center of the page, and I use my page size, my laser size. But some of my mentors like to make their page size the page of their plaque. And here's how this would be pretty cool. I'm going to hold down the shift button and put a rectangle around this dragon. Of course, you wouldn't want to, engrave right to the deal. And I actually have a hotkey where I could put it to the top left corner. Of course, it put everything to the top left corner. But a couple of my mentors always make their page size the page of the. So with this new feature, you could go, I want a 1-inch margin around my graphic to my page, and I'm going to put Autofit. Well, I need to delete this and then go to Autofit with 1-inch margin. Now, my laser bit, if I put my wood in there, that's this size. Let's see what size this is. It is 13.4 by 11.14. Anyway, so it centered it, and you don't have to do that. You could have page size with no border if you know your borders, and then hit auto page. And now your graphic is in the page and just barely fits in there. I personally wouldn't do this because you don't want it, going to that close of the edge. This would be pretty useful if you like doing that. I like my page the size of my laser, 40 by 28. And then I just work in the center of the page. And then I just move it to top left. But that's auto page fit or auto fit page. But it's only available right now in 2021. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for